my channel. I'm Jo. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about two amazing products with excellent reviews that I've recently invested in. And these two products are hair styling tools. As usual, I'm gonna give you a quick review followed by a try-on. So without wasting any further minute, let's get started. Now the first product I'm gonna talk about is ta-da! Daphne hair straightener brush. This is a hair styling tool. As you can tell from the picture, this is hair straightener in a form of brush. All those of you who follow YouTube tutorials by makeup artists or influencers from all around the world would know how amazing this product is. You must have seen a lot of reviews by YouTubers, so I had to buy it. This product name is Dafni Go. It also got Nykaa Femina Beauty Awards 2019 for Best Hairstyling Appliance. Let me show you the packaging. It comes in this cylindrical box. Very sturdy. The packaging is super pretty and convenient to carry. It's a portable hairbrush, very travel friendly and easy to use. Just brush your hair with it. It gets heated up in 50 seconds and you don't have to hold it on small strands like you do with a standard straightener. It keeps constant temperature, which is safer and less damaging to the hair. This is the model number and one can buy it directly from their website or from Nykaa. It retails for 10,000 ish, and a cordless model is also available at Nykaa, which is costlier than this. It comes with this thermal travel case, which is convenient to carry. Inside you get the cord and this beautiful brush cum straightener. It has this ceramic matte finish coating. You get this cover to protect the bristles from any kind of damage or dirt, and its bristles give it a calm kind of feeling. You get this type D 3-pin plug. The other end goes in the bottom of the brush and you switch it on. It blinks for about 30 times and is ready to use. Meanwhile, let me show you the second hair product I was talking about. This is the UK award-winning brand Tangle Teezer Compact Styler Detangling Hairbrush. It is also available at Nykaa in so many different colors and a design as per your preference. It's priced at $1,400, but during sale I got it for $1,050. It is perfect soft bristles on the go hairbrush with pop-on cover to protect the teeth from damage or dirt. The fuss about this product is how seamlessly, without much breakage and damage, it combs up your hair, as you can tell. With regular brush, I always have bunch of hair coming off. On the hairbrush, this is magic. Handbag friendly hairbrush that gives you perfect hair on the move. Moving on to the hair straightener, it is ready within a minute. It doesn't feel so hot, hence it won't damage my hair like a wand straightener does, especially my color treated hair. I have frizzy straight hair naturally. I'll just simply start combing as mentioned. On their website, you don't have to comb very fast, you just drag down very slowly. Always use it on completely dry hair, free of any serum or hair products. Best thing about this product is how it helps you reach the scalp and deep inside your hair, which is not easy with a straightener. You can see the difference, right? I'm trying to do roll down pulling motion. You don't get result in just one combing motion. You would want to go over one section of hair 3 to 4 times to get the actual result. And I'm quickly gonna do my right hand side and be back. It has this 15 minutes auto shutdown feature as well, I just want to mention. You see how I got these non-frizzy, naturally straightened hair, like you just got a keratine treatment done. Without any heat damage, which is an A+. I completely get now why people are going gaga over it. To conclude, this is an awesome hair product investment to have if price is not an issue for you. That's all for today, guys. I'll be bringing lots of exciting videos every week, I promise. You subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, share, comment, all of that. Please share my videos with your friends and relatives and help me grow my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye.